Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification icon so that you get alerted anytime I release new videos. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much for supporting the channel. Today I'm going to continue our tutorial videos. It's going to be how to save a document as a PDF or an XPS document using Microsoft Word. So with the latest versions of Microsoft Office, we're actually provided with a unique feature in which we can export Office files to PDFs and XPS documents directly without the need of the additional software as within the past. So if you don't already know, a PDF is a portable document format. It's owned by Adobe. It pretty much enables users to share documents with other users independent of having application software such as Office, additional hardware. If you work in an Office environment, then you know that the only way to get a PDF from Word used to be that you had to take it to a piece of hardware such as a copier and email it to yourself. That was pretty much the fastest way to get a PDF out of it. Now you can convert those directly without the need to have to go to that hardware. So XPS is basically Microsoft's alternative to the PDF format. Okay, so to do this from within an open file, we're going to go to the file option. You're going to head and click export. You're going to click create PDF or XPS document. You're going to go ahead and click the button for create PDF XPS. Then you're going to select the folder in which you want to save your document. Same as with any other file type, you're going to go ahead and select the location. So the master location right here. So this is pretty much just a directory structure. You're going to select the primary location. Then if you want a folder within there, you can go ahead and go further into that directory. You can go ahead and type in the file name that you want. And you're going to go ahead and select either PDF or XPS document. So select standard to create a document that can be viewed online right here. So you can view it online or printed. If you just want to view it online, then you want minimum size. Alright, so go ahead and click publish button to create the document. And your file will be converted to the format that you choose. So if it's PDF, then it was converted to a PDF, which ours was. And if it's XPS, then you would see an XPS document. Now again, you have the option to open the file after publishing, and as you'll see during the demo, you'll see that file actually open. So let's go ahead and take a look at this on a real document. Okay, so as you can see, I have an open Microsoft Word document. Again, we're going to start at going to the file menu, so click file. We're going to go ahead and go down to export and create PDF or XPS document. And again, this is already highlighted, so we're going to select the create PDF or XPS button. So let's select that. Again, the publish as PDF to or XPS window shows up. And just like saving any other file, you're going to have the option to save your document wherever you would like. We're going to leave it on the desktop. We're going to name it test once again. We're going to keep it as a PDF, but you could select XPS. We're going to leave it selected to open the file after publishing so that you can actually see that. Again, we're going to treat this at minimal size just for test, but if you were going to publish online or to print, you definitely want to choose standard for the better quality. So for this purpose, we're going to select minimum size, and we're going to make sure we set it to the desktop. So click publish. Okay, and again it opens, as you can see, and this is your example opening. So let's go ahead and close that, minimize that, and you can see it actually saved right here as a PDF on my desktop. The best tip is to be sure you save your file in the standard Office format before actually converting it or exporting it to a PDF or XPS. That way you still have an original copy.